Is your phone showing a notification that cannot be closed about downloading English, US, or another language update for speech services by Google, which is waiting for network connection, even though your phone is connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data? In this guide, I'm going to show you how to resolve the issue mentioned above, so just follow through with the guidelines provided. Method 1. Auto-update languages at any time. Open Google's app. With the Google app opened, tap on your profile picture and then select Settings. Tap on the voice option. Select Offline Speech Recognition. Choose the Auto Update tab. Tap on the Auto Update Languages at any time option. Confirm that you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, then go back to the Installed tab. Tap on the language that is not updating, English, US, in this case. Press the Update button. Restart your phone, and the notification should not come back. Important, remember to repeat the steps to select the Auto Update Languages over Wi-Fi only option to avoid surprises with data charges on your phone's bill. Method 2. Clearing the cache for speech services by Google. Open the Settings app. Select Apps and Notifications, or simply Apps. Scroll down and select Speech Services by Google. Tap on Storage Cache. Tap on the Clear Cache option. Method 3. Uninstall updates from speech services by Google. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Speech Services by Google. Tap on the three dots menu and tap Uninstall Updates. Confirm and open Play Store. Look for Speech Services and tap Update. Method 4. Clear data from Play Services in Play Store and try again. Navigate to Settings, Apps again, open Play Store and then Storage. Clear all data. Next, open Google Play Services, Storage and tap Manage Storage. Clear all data and confirm. Restart your device and try manually updating speech services one more time. Method 5. Disable the app's notifications. Go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, scroll down and select Speech Services by Google. Turn off Show Notifications.